Microscopic examination. Dictation of spermatozoa on microscopy is the confirmatory test for 7 silent features problem associated with the microscopy. It is of no use in azoospermia, found in 10 to 50% cases, dealt with the forensic science service. Vasectomy as accused. The condom has been used. Difficult to visualize an intact spermatozoa in stain sample, particularly where semen adhere to cloth. Sperm can disintegrate if the stain is washed or come in contact with another object. Procedure. Specimen may be swabbed from vaginal canal and other material fabric stained with the semen. Procedure is slightly different for each. Swabs from vaginal canal. Both dry and wet specimens are examined. In a dry specimen, vaginal swab is smeared on a glass slide, stained and then examined for spermatozoa. Sperm motility cannot be seen by this method. At least one intact spermatozoa must be visible to confirm emission. It is because both the sperm head and tail may be mimicked by a number of other artifacts. Look for microorganism for venereal diseases. If present, send a wet specimen for culture. If accused is infected with the same organism, it forms a corroborative evidence. Wet specimens are used for sperm motility. Procedure. Moist swab or a drop of mucus removed from the vagina may be touched with a glass lid. Dilute with a drop of normal saline and look for motile sperms. Interpretation. Motile sperm in a vaginal samples are found up to 24 hours, 100% motile up to 3 hours, 50% motile up to 8 hours, and 10% motile up to 24 hours. Endocervix up to 6 days. Non-motile sperms head are detected in living up to 7 days in the vaginal cavity, 2-3 days in the anus and rectum, for 24 hours in the mouth. Stained fabric or other material with a dried stain. The specimen is allowed to be moistened with a few drops of 1% hydrochloric acid or 3% acetic acid in a watch glass. Keep for 1 hour if the stain is fresh, 4 hours if old. Maximum concentration of sperm in the central portion of stain. Prepare a film by rubbing the moistened portion of the fabric on a slide. Dry in air without heat or fix for 1 minute in methyl or ethyl alcohol. Stain with the Christmas tree stain most commonly used. Christmas tree stain consists of 2 dyes: nuclear fast red dye stain, nucleic acid, and picro-indigo carmine. Pick stain most other cellular material, epithelial cells, various shades of green. Appearance is much like red ornaments on a green Christmas tree. Methylene blue for 30 minutes, counter stain with eosin for 2 minutes. Hemosalem solution of hematoxylin and alum 5 minutes, counter stain with eosin for 2 minutes. For all stains, anterior 2/3 of head occupied by chromosome is unstained or very faintly stained only. Posterior 1/3 is occupied by nucleus is stained. Older stains are less likely to reveal intact spermatozoa. Note coordinates. If only 1 or 2 sperm head are found, their coordinates should be noted and entered into report. Medico-legal MLC number or postmortem number must be etched in on a glass lid with a glass marking pencil. Specimen origin of sperm may have to dictated in allegations of bestiality. Sperm morphology is typical for each species. A veterinary biologist may have to be consulted. Precipitin test. If animal is azoospermic or no sperm head can be seen due to delay. Precipitin test may be done with anti-serum of the alleged animal, dog, goat, horse. Principally same as that of species determination of blood. Grouping of seminal fluid. Grouping ABO can be easily done in secretors. Other groups are AK, PGM, etc. can be determined. Individualization of semen. DNA profile made from semen can be possibly identified by preparator. What constitutes absolute proof of semen? Absolute proof of semen is that at least one unbroken spermatozoa. If this is not found, a combination of stain which fluorescence in UV light plus a high level of acid phosphatase and presence of P30 may be considered reasonably confirmatory. So, stained swabs and vaginal stained fabric or other material with dry stain, which method? Christmas tree stain, nucleic acid fast, red eye, picro, indigo, carmine. Thank you.